Welcome back to the Watch It Cook It kitchen, a real quick but amazingly satisfying and tasty triple grilled ham, cheese, tomato, onion sandwich. Let's look at the ingredients. Salted tomato, red onion, beautiful ham carved off the bone, Gruyere cheese, and garlic butter. But there's always a secret, isn't there? And in this case, it is mango chutney. Yes, mango chutney makes all the difference. And what's all this triple grilling nonsense about? Well, stay tuned and you'll find out. We're going to take our garlic butter, which is melted, and brush it onto the bread. One side is okay. Just one side is okay for this. We're going to toast this side before filling the other side and toasting that. Let's see. You'll get it in just a minute. Under a hot grill just for a few minutes. Check it out. How perfect. It was only under there for about 3 minutes under a hot grill, and it's now crisped up and wafting that wonderful buttery garlic flavor. Gonna need the tongs to take this out. Everything's pretty hot right now. Let's do some shenanigans here with this. Now we have bread toasted on one side. So we're taking the mango chutney. You can find this in most grocery stores these days across the world. The word is world. So, mango chutney goes on. I guess you could use any kind of pickle or chutney you like, but the mango does something spectacular to this sandwich. We generously dollop mango chutney on to the sandwich. Oh my goodness, check it out. The second grill is the sandwich with the chutney on it. We're going to use the tongs to pick this up and put it in our grilling dish. Don't need to grill that side because I want it soft, but this side I want this mango chutney to cook and crystallize and get extra yummy. What's wrong with that? Here's the second grilling now. Just look at this. It is, well, you can look at it, but you can't hear it that well, I don't think, and you can't smell the amazing aroma of that chutney coming off this grilled sandwich. Now we're going to build this beautiful sandwich. You tell me how much ham should be on here. Probably all of it, I would think. Let's just cut this so it's a little bit easier to handle and just dump it on top there. Oh my goodness. And I'm just gonna fold it because it just looks tremendous, doesn't it? Next is I put on my red onion. I guess the order of this doesn't really matter, but for me, red onion goes next. A good amount of red onion, followed by 2 beautifully plump slices of tomato, and guess what? Gruyere cheese all over the top. Now you are talking sandwich here, and this is so luxurious. Back in for the third and final grill. It's going to melt the cheese. It's going to warm the meat and the tomatoes on top of that hot base of mango chutney. And you just kind of gotta believe me, and you just gotta do this, and you just gotta eat it. As they say in Norway, if you know, you know, and I know. Oh my, let's get this puppy out of here. And it is just amazing. Look at this. In the UK, when I was growing up, they called sandwiches like this doorstep sandwiches because they're the size of a doorstep. Now, the added benefit to this method is that the cheese has run down the side and crisped up in the pan. Yes, in the pan, crispy cheese on the top. Oh, yeah, this is all flavor. Don't you dare leave that in the pan or throw it away. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna put a little greenery on there, little green onion. Look at this, beautiful, ready to go, goes on top. This is what I call a sandwich. Yes, I'd call it a sandwich. All that remains to be done is to cut it through the middle, just to be a little more civilized when we attack this thing. Get a nice white plate to put this sandwich on. Struggle, struggle, and we will put it on here. Oh, we can hardly lift this, and we just need to take a very civilized, polite little taster of this sandwich. I don't know if there are words. It was so fast and so incredibly beautiful. I'm almost emotional about this sandwich. Please, give it a try. You deserve it. You know, you're always welcome right here in the kitchen. I certainly hope you'll subscribe. There's more stuff coming. Leave a comment, ring that bell, do all kinds of stuff. And we'll see you right here next time